In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to enable or disable autoplay of videos on your X account. Enabling or disabling video autoplay on your X account can significantly affect your data usage, battery life, and user experience. If autoplay is enabled, videos play automatically as you scroll, while disabling autoplay gives you more control over what content you engage with. To do this, simply head to your Twitter account. On your home page, tap onto your profile icon and head to Settings and Privacy. You will then select onto the option of Accessibility, Display, and Language. Head to the first option and then scroll down onto the option of Video Autoplay. Make sure to mark on Never to disable autoplay of videos on Twitter. To enable autoplay, simply select on when either Wi-Fi or cellular data is connected. That's how easy it is to turn on or turn off autoplay of videos on X, formerly Twitter. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.